Hi, in the previous video I mentioned I liked a bit about the program I use. Today's post that I brought, it's also from the workbook. I think it's post number 8 or 9. I am not exactly sure anymore, sorry. But there are 15 poses in the workbook, I think, and arranged them so they go from easier to more complex. Well, that's just my personal experience. When I drew them, that's how the difficulty progressed for me. So, this one might be somewhere in the medium difficulty range. We are no longer dealing with just a standing figure here, it's a jumping pose. You will see me make mistakes too. I had to redraw the head and struggled a bit with the leg perspective. And I mean, how could I talk about the program if I wasn't even using it right? So, yep, this one's digital too. Oh yes, a side story. What I have noticed about myself in that what frustrates me about not having much digital drawing routine yet is that I work for more slowly drawings, take longer than on paper. Even I suck, I have more tools available here like layers which I can hide or lower the opacity of varies on paper. I'd have to erase or just leave it as. But it's not a big deal. The more I practice, the more routine I will build up. Okay, back to the point. If you have seen videos like this before, you may have come across this program. It's called Sketchbook. It's paid up, but what's great is that it's a one-time purchase and it's really affordable. Super simple and very intuitive to use to me. At least as a beginner, I found it worked really well for me. And side story again, yes, I promise I will keep it short. If you have a phone or tablet, yo, David, if you have one, really, in the 21st century, congratulations to me. Of course, you have. Anyway, no more inner monologues. So, Sketchbook has a free version of Android. It has some limitation, but most of the tools and features you need as a beginner are included. And upgrading to the Pro version is only $5. I think there's an iOS version too, but I am not totally sure and I don't want to give out wrong info. So if that's what you are using, just check the App Store. Now, back to the program. As you will see in the video, the interface isn't complicated, just a few panels that you can toggle and move. It's not overload, very intuitive. You can quickly test the tools and features to see if it's your thing. I don't want to lie, but I think there's a basic animation function in there too. I haven't found it yet, just visually remember reading about it somewhere. If you are interested in that, maybe look in the future. Before I chose Sketchbook, I tried out a few programs, just a drawing or two with each. For example, GIMP, Adobe Fresco, and Clip Studio Paint. I used the GIMP a lot of before for image editing, but for drawing, not really my thing. But the Adobe Fresco, I like that one. It's nice. I don't know. In honest, I still ended up liking Circuit more. Hard to explain why. Really, Fresco's interface is also intuitive, not overcomplicated, and it even has spreads like comic book size, which is very cool. So, if you are currently looking for an app, definitely give it a shot too. No, the Clip Studio Paint, that's a whole different beast. I download that one knowing I wouldn't be using it seriously for a while. It's definitely a pro level tool, not beginner friendly, at least not for me. but from what I have seen, it's one of the programs actually professional comic artists use. I even found features in it that specially supporting building multi-hundred pages comics. So very cool. But that's a story for another time. For now, sketchbook is more than enough. And once I have built more routine, I will start exploring Clip Studio Paint more seriously. Oh, and just to be clear, this isn't tutorial, I just wanted to show what I use. But if you want a sketchbook tutorial, write it in the comment and I will put one. And in the next video we are gonna shake things up a bit. Our characters won't be so square-headed anymore. And then check out this one. Bye.